All right, I'm gonna show you how easy it is to get autonomous mowing going with the Mean Green Autonomous Vanquish. Come with me and let's go from start to finish, right? First thing we're gonna do is the mower is off, the Greenzie system is off. When we press the on button, the mower turns on, the Greenzie system comes on. If the Greenzie system's on already, we're good to go. It takes about 60 seconds to about 2 minutes. You could still use the mower manually during this time. First thing I'm gonna do is enter the mower's pin code. You can see it here. I have this one set to 1234. This is configurable by you. The next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna scan the QR code on the mower here. There's one that's gonna be easily printed here. Once you scan that QR code, you're gonna be able to put in the pin code. This is to control this mower. I have it set to the same, so it's 1234. Only have to do this once. Now I'm authorized to view this mower. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna make sure our e-stop is on, okay? And now we're gonna map out an autonomous job. So the very first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna click, we could load a job if we want, or we can create a new job. I'm gonna create a new job, just a little square here so we show off how it works. Click create new job, click start mapping, okay? Now what I would do is I turn my blades on, but I'm not gonna do it right here because we don't need to cut anything. I'm gonna mow at the area that I want mowed. So here I go. All right, now that I've got my, my map here, you can see it, just a small little square here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the mower into autonomous mode. It's very simple, very easy to do. All you have to do is turn it off, switch it over to autonomous mode by pressing this switch. We're gonna switch it into autonomous mode, turn it back on. We're not gonna need to enter that pin again, but we will need to enter a one-time passcode in order to control the mower. So in order to do that, you can click Start Job. Now it'll ask you for the PIN code. That number is 1658. Again, it's random every single time. So that code, it'll just tell you. This ensures that only one phone can operate the mower. So I enter that one-time passcode. Now I have full control of the mower. Let's engage the autonomous mowing. We're gonna ensure that we have our safety controller. We're gonna walk 10 feet away from the mower so that it doesn't see us anymore. Now it's got two active alerts, which are that it sees something. So once we get far enough away, the alert's clear. It is now clear. There is nothing around the mower. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit click start. I can see that I am in autonomous mode with that yellow light flashing. So now I'm gonna hit start. And then what I'm gonna do is slide this to start, and the mower should turn the blades on and then begin safely autonomous mowing inside that area that I did. Now it will take a second because we've got the blades disabled for this setting right here, but it should turn on behind me and you can see it start to move. It's gonna start mowing. Yeah, again, blades are disabled for this. We're in sort of a demo mode since we're not needing to mow, so it takes a little bit longer, but most of the time it starts very quickly. That's it. Now I can be going and doing other things while the mower is mowing. I can pause the job, I can change settings, I can add keep out zones, I can do all of that from this, but in the base setting, it just mows exactly where I told it to. It's that simple to get started with the Autonomous Vanquish. Let us know if you have any questions.